We just got to the trail. We were gonna backpack camp, but Matt forgot his stinking sleeping bag. So now we're just gonna do a day hike and hopefully get done before it gets dark.
Yeah, the like U-shaped one. All right.
Well, to be fair,
Bear country. Come on, get. What kind of poop is this? Let's see. It's an hour. Oh, it says wrong turn.
at the average pace we needed to be in.
Does it go up there or does it go down there? I don't remember starting from right there, I'll be honest. Although we did just do a U-turn. What the fuck? I'll turn around. That feels like the direction we came, right?
Yeah.
But on the map, that's pointing us onwards.
We just did a switchback deal. I bet it lines up.
The problem is we're facing the direction towards the trail. That's where we started.
There's no way we came from that way. I mean, I trust that when I trust my brain.
See, I don't remember seeing that rock pile. Right there on the left.
Somehow we just did a 180.
That's dangerous.
And then I am never going out without a GPS.
Are these like our footprints? I don't even know. Okay, I definitely remember seeing this shit. Hold on a second. Step right there. Is that your footprint? Like not on it, but.
Yep.
Okay.
Let me see if my. Do you have?
What the
signal?
fuck?
There is no way. We walked from this way. We walked coming this way.
I know. I'm confused. It says somewhere we should be going that way. Should be turned around, going this way, and then it should go to the right.
Yeah, right here.
Is it this right? That kind of looks like a trail. So where were we going? How did that feel so fucked up? That's a simple mistake. This is why we gotta actually look at the map. One of these days one of these days soon we're gonna have to do a 2-day trip. Whoa, shit.
Uploads video and then his guys at home.
Yeah.
You know, throw them together.
Long Creek Trail.
What is that?
Moss. This, but for snacks also. So I'll be damned if we get attacked by a bear and I didn't at least get a video of it.
That would have been our campsite.
If I hadn't forgot my sleeping bag, we would have camped right here.
They even left us cut up firewood.
Yeah, actually.
That's the best firewood I've ever seen left there.
And perfect coals to start another fire. Stop.
I got my own.
It is cool. It is like a pretty cool rock formation though. Look at all these trees. This is a good skipping rock.
Knocker.
I got really close to hitting her.
Check out this little bluff we found while we were hiking. We're maybe 2-3 miles in. Pretty cool little spot.
This is kind of a cool.
Look at that rock.
Yeah. Where are you going?
The easiest place.
I kind of want to see a black bear out here.
What's the?
Oh, there's ice in here. Oh yeah, look at that.
First ever natural glass.
Oh, I'm all turned around. We're coming from the other direction from what I thought we were. This is it. This is about how much water was there last time. That's where I was planning on this camping, was right here.
We made it!
Falls coming down this. I bet when there's a lot of water, this looks awesome. Yes. We made it to Hercules Glades, and as you can see, there is no waterfall, but I'm eager to try out my Jetboil here because I'm hungry. Here's my Jetboil. I haven't used it before, pretty excited.
Oh, that was a cup.
Yeah. This is like a little measuring cup on the bottom. Yeah, this is a huge can of fuel. And this says that this can do 55 full boils.
Damn.
I am excited because today I'm trying, for the first time, the Jetboil Flash, which is a 1 liter self-contained cooking system so that you don't have to cook all of your camp meals on the campfire. I got it for Christmas. I was pretty excited for it. It has a... Here we go. It has a self-contained little stove built into it, and it attaches to the bottom of this 1 liter jug, and you don't even need a lighter. It lights itself with this little igniter. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use it for the first time here. Bear with me if it's a little clunky. All right, we're gonna start here by taking off of this plastic cup that's on the bottom. It's a little measuring cup so that when you're cooking your dehydrated meals, you don't actually put too much or too little water in there. We're gonna set this off to the side, and I think what you're supposed to do is attach the can to the stove part of it first. It just screws on. Oh, I guess you have to pull the little valve handle out first. The valve was open. Okay, and then we're gonna put this little stand that folds out on the bottom of the can so that it stays stable. Look at that. That's actually pretty stable. And then it says to light this before you put the water on it, but also to fill this with your water before you put it on the actual stove part. I'm just boiling water in it today because I'm going to be cooking one of these dehydrated meals. This one's fettuccine alfredo with chicken. It sounds pretty good to me because I'm hungry. So it says we need, let's see, carefully add 1 1/3 cup of boiling water. So this has 1 cup. So I imagine those are 1/3 cup marks. So let's go ahead and start with 1 cup. And then the 1/3. All I get. Starts drinking my water. All right. Let's go ahead and give this a light. Oh yeah. Oh, that's already boiling inside of there. Really? Or it's not boiling, but it's bubbling. It has a little, if you look on the side here, it has a little gel indicator that turns orange whenever the water gets hot enough. And it has this little lid. This is actually one of the main reasons I was excited about it, because I've been heating water on the campfire just in a little cup, and there's always ash in my water. So this, look at that, nothing could fall in there now. I guess I need to open this up, don't I? Let me get rid of this. Sounds like boiling. Let's check it. Woo, that's hot. All right, that's done. So let's turn this off. The whole thing's insulated, which is pretty nice. And it has a little handle. That didn't seem like there's enough water, did it? Well, we'll see. It says seal it up, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then stir it and let it sit for 4 minutes again. So let's wait. What time is it? 4. Now it's been 5 minutes, and I forgot my spoon and fork, so to stir it up, I'm just gonna do this. Oh yeah, I can feel the flavor. All right, time's up. We're ready to eat. Well, look.
Yummy. That actually don't look bad.
If I had a fork, man.
You can eat it.
What do you got? You got anything on you?
No.
It's probably hot too. Tasty. It is good.
That actually good?
Yeah, it is. It's hot though. Oh man. Right there. Folds up on the back into it itself. Take the lid off, make sure you don't got anything in there. Take the base back off. It folds up. It fits real nicely inside the stove part. Put it in there. And then if you get the smaller canisters of fuel, they fit inside there. This one doesn't fit, but throw this lid back on, throw your cup back on, and there you go.
Guys, we are headed out. It's getting cold and dark. We have about a 3-mile walk back to the car. What happened to your mittens from school? Has to do with
Camera, because like right now, I can just. Where'd she go?
Guys, we just made it back. We were going to camp tonight, but somebody forgot their sleeping bag, so we were back. I'm not too disappointed about that actually, but so we did around 6 miles, and then well, I guess we did 6 miles. That's it. So pretty cool hiking spot. You guys should come down here. It's
Hercules Glades Wilderness.
Glades Wilderness. So.
Yeah, we had a nice little lunch down at the creek. Just come on back. It's a pretty easy day hike.
Yep.